When you're creating a checklist, you can insert a checkbox. Probably know that already. In addition to that, you probably already know that you can do Control, Command, Spacebar, and get emojis. But I bet you don't know how to add bullet points. Inside of the text of the cell, hit Option 8, and there you get a bullet point. We can add that at the beginning of our text. Option 8, each and every time. I add a little space to give it a little bit of breathing room, but just that Option 8 is going to get you a bullet point inside of Google Sheets, inside a cell. You can even add Command Enter and another bullet point inside a cell. More reviews. Command Enter again, and Option 8 again, even more reviews. And there we can have bullet points inside of Google Sheets. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, if you want to automate your sheets, design better sheets, have better sheets in your life, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.